The Outer Worlds, Outer Wilds, and Gears 5 now free with a taco, Polygon. Watch Zuckerberg react when a lawmaker compares him to Trump, CNN. NBA 2K Playgrounds 2 new season update trailer, Nintendo Switch, Nintendo. Adonit Note Plus iPad stylus adds shortcut buttons, tilt and pressure sensitivity, cult of Mac. Modern Warfare Battle Pass, campaign trailer and everything else we know, CNET. Mark Zuckerberg grilled over Facebook's spotty track record on diversity, CNBC. Bethesda wants to charge Fallout 76 players $13 a month for premium features, The Verge. WeWork co-founder pushed aside in $5 billion SoftBank takeover, CBC.ca. Saudi offering smashes expectations despite oil attacks, oilprice.com. Android Studio 4.0 and big Jetpack updates announced at Android Dev Summit 2019. Android Police